Good afternoon, everyone. It is finally March. We are finally starting to feel like spring. That's very exciting for me because I have a lot of work to do in the garden. I have actually decided that I think I want to do like a little mini pop-up. Let me show you. I have a bunch of these plants that I'm propagating. I also have a bunch more on that table right there. I also have some grape cuttings right here that I need to get into some soil. I wanted to kind of take you guys along with me because I'm going to be repotting some onions. I actually started these onions from seed. I don't remember exactly when, but they are looking really good. Yeah, I'm going to be repotting those today, and then I actually think I'm going to use one of these plants that's already rooted, and I think I'm going to add it. I have a little succulent garden in my front yard that's kind of going on right now, so I think I'm going to do that. So these onions aren't quite big enough to go into the ground yet, so I think I'm actually going to put them in here. I have a little bit of, so I just took the citronella cuttings off. I think I'm gonna put these in a different container, see if they'll root better. Got my soil right here. Perfect. Okay. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys, if you look really closely right there and then right there, you'll see some green spots. I planted some celery in these two, and it looks like it's starting to grow. So that's super exciting. This will be my first year of celery. So these are the onions I just put out. I had these out in my front yard. But the plants kind of like died off, so I actually am going to cut the stems off and then propagate these, and then try to propagate these leaves as well, and hopefully I can have these at my pop-up available for purchase. And these are all baby lettuce. They're the same as these. These ones are just bigger. These ones I just put in here yesterday. This is green bean. Honestly, this is probably ready to go into the ground. So I think I might do that later today. My potato plant gets a lot of sunlight now, and it's growing really fast, as you can tell. It's kind of looking a little depleted of soil, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this up again. Okay, here we are. I just need to water it. Welcome back. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right. My neighbor's mowing the grass, so there's a little bit of background noise. I've got my succulents here. I don't know where this thing came from. Nobody in my family says that it's theirs, so right now I'm just going to use it to put some soil in and hopefully propagate these succulents because I have a lot. I'm using this cactus palm citrus potting mix. I don't have a whole lot of space, so I think I have these cool looking ones right here, and then I also have one of these, so I think I'm going to start with those. So I'm actually going to cut this one right about here. So I'm just going to stick it right there. That one in there too, just like that. Actually, I think I'm gonna stick this one in there as well. I'm gonna do a couple of these ones as well. Alright, so that's what it looks like. We've got a bunch in here. These, I believe, these ones in the middle right here, or this one, the same thing as this one, so that's what it's gonna look like after a while. But yeah, we've got a lot more. I just need to water this. Good afternoon, everyone. It is about 2 o'clock. It's March 9th. Spring will be here in about 10 days or so. So I'm actually going to put some of my transplants into the ground today. They need to be done, and I have other ones that need to be transplanted. So I am actually going to be getting my planter boxes ready. I actually picked this one up last spring, and I'm gonna put it together today because I have a lot of lettuce and I think that I'm gonna need it. Comes with some directions on how you can put them together. So it looks like I can do I haven't bolted anything in, but I like that shape, so we're gonna go with that. If you're anything like me, allergic to grass, I'd recommend grabbing yourself like a yoga mat or something. All of the pieces should be in here. Yes. What is this black thing? Oh, this is the protect. Okay, this goes on top. Okay, all the plastic is off. Okay, so let me grab these first. These are the cap nuts, and these are the regular. Okay, so I just got it put together. I have one last step, and that's that little black piece right there. I just have to put it around the top as the protective edging. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks really good.